Ladies, gentlemen, pronouns, lend me your ears. Crazy Kid back for another react. This time here, I'm going to do a reaction on Nelson singing After the Rain. Now, Nelson is the twin sons of Ricky Nelson, which I've done a prior reaction to. And you'll see a little bit of the similarities if you've watched the Ricky Nelson reaction video. I'll leave a tag up here for his video, see like the video reaction, so you can go back and see it. But you'll be able to see the similarities in his twin sons in the face, and then they're almost like identical twins. Like it's a very good family resemblance. Let's put it that way. But so without any further ado, let's get into Nelson singing After the Rain.
Just don't humor me. It's time he grew up. No, it's time he grew up. You know what? Your son ain't nothing but a worthless dreamer. He's gonna have to come down to reality right now. And I've had it. You will never amount to anything.
Now, if you're going to take on the role of being a stepfather, this is not the kind of attitude you should have. You should be encouraging creativity, encouraging imagination, because that is what's going to build character. It's going to help them in their jobs as they get older. This belittling and bashing that this stepfather is doing is not good parenting. Now, usually when something like, somebody gets belittled like that, they just want to escape. And I think that's what this whole prequel to the song is all about, is to get out and escape from the negativity. Get into something positive, like music can give you something positive.
By now you should know you're living in a fantasy and you can't let go. Never really loved you from the start. The only thing he ever gave you was a broken heart. Don't be afraid to lose what was never meant to be.
Now, the two frontmen that were singing, those are Ricky Nelson's sons. And this song was done in the 90s. And the first time I heard it, I just fell right in love with it.
You're thinking if you break away never survive. Waiting as my heart beats just for you. Come on, take my hand and I'll pull you through. But things will never change till you want them to.
That is the truest statement on the planet. Things will never change until you want them to, till you make the changes that you need to make. And this basically this entire song is about being in a bad relationship. It ends. You had those tears, and once the rain of tears is done, then it's time to build yourself back up. So, like this song here has just meant a whole world to me. Yeah, and just in the hopes of finding true love again. Like all that pain and anguish when the relationship first breaks apart. You had that rain of tears. Once the rain of tears is gone and the pain starts going away, then you can hope to find true love again. Jumping from one right immediately to the next, that's not a very good idea.
The only thing he ever gave you was a broken heart. Come and take my hand and I'll pull you through. You know the time has come for you to face the truth. After the rain washes away the tears, all the pain, only after the rain you live again. Whoa, whoa, after the rain you'll see the sun appear to light the way. Only after the rain can you hope to find true love again. Whoa, whoa, after the rain you love again. After the rain washes away the tears, all the pain, only after the rain you love again.
Now you'll notice this guy that's left standing is the guy from the dream, the guy from the beginning in the trailer park. Throughout the entire video, they left him only in black and white, and everybody else was in full color. Was it a dream? Alrighty, final thoughts, final thoughts. I've always loved this song ever since the first time I've heard it. Immediately after I heard this song, the very next day I went out and I bought the tape, the cassette tape. That's how old this song is. It was like a cassette tape. And my car had a cassette tape. And as soon as I bought it, I ripped it open, popped it in. And I rocked and rolled to this song for so many days. And just listening to it again brings back so many good memories. So I hope that this song has given people some new experiences for different genres. There's all kinds of different genres out there, and just kind of hoping to, broaden people's experiences in music rather than just sticking to one genre, because a lot of people tend to do that. Um, and just to show that there's really great music out there in all different kinds of genres. Um, I'll leave a description in the description below. I'll leave the link to the original video, and leave your comments about, if this what this song means to you, if it resonates to you, um, what you think about this song. Leave comments and constructive criticism about, my videos or whatever like that. Make sure that they're polite. I will not respond to people just being negative just to be negative. Um, and until we get to the next one, folks, I wish everybody peace, love, and happiness.